Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how you can convert your Lazada coins to Lazada Wallet. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So for this, you can simply open your Lazada website, and once you open it, you will be redirected to the official page of Lazada. So by opening this, you can simply activate your wallet to ensure that your wallet is activated in your Lazada app or Lazada website. And for this, you need to first of all get logged in into your account. However, to make things clear, Lazada coins can be spent for discounts during your checkout, or you can redeem it for rewards, but they cannot be directly converted to Lazada Wallet. However, Lazada Credits can be transferred to your Lazada Wallet. So let's talk about how we can transfer Lazada Credits to your Lazada Wallet. So to transfer it, you can simply go in your account and then select Transfer Credits, and then enter the amount of Lazada Credits to transfer, and then hit the next button to submit. So this is how you can virtually transfer your credits instead of your coins in Lazada Wallet. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more interesting videos. Thank you for watching.